Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? So this is live price prediction of Vechain coin, my brother, and I have give you something very special news and update about Vechain, my brother. The CEO of Vechain coin, my brother, especially personally says that on Twitter. So if you want to check out, my friends, so just go now and check out, my friend, the Vechain latest news, my brother. This time, absolutely, my friend, the Vechain CEO tell us to we will going to collaborate with a lot of companies. So therefore, this is possible to in upcoming days. We will just and only, my friend, here head to 0.2 to 0.5 USD dollar. I think this is possible to upcoming days because, my brother, as you can see here, the CEO absolutely personally said that, and the team of Vechain coin is doing very hard work. As you just can only see, my friend, the July 22 to you can see here, my friend, August 11, they will continuously moving upward, and absolutely, my friend, sometimes every cryptocurrencies will moving in this circulation, but definitely, my friend, as you can see here, they will fail us down for a short time, but after that, as you can see, my friend, they will again moving upward now. So I liked Vechain coin because, my brother, when they will fails down, so definitely they after a fails they will take a very huge jump now. So therefore I loved Vechain coin, and I will recommend for all of you, my brothers, to I think if you want to invest for a long time, so Vechain is one of the good option. Please don't miss this chance, take a risk and get a profit. I am 100% sure they will make you millionaire now, my brother. So this is my personal experience. I will share, my friend, with all of you now, and absolutely the CEO will be going to my friends collaborate with a lot of companies. So if they just in only, my friends, collaborate with Amazon, my brother, so I am 100% sure to they will give you, my friend, 100 to 200% profit. And if they will just in only give you, my friend, 50% profit, so remember, my brothers, so in upcoming days they will easily hit 0.5 USD dollar, and just in only in after 1 month they will give you 1 USD dollar. So this is possible now. Hope you understand Vechain holder. Please, if you are new my channel, just in only click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for video notification. Allah Hafiz.